Well, hi everybody, it's Kim. It's Saturday. It's about, well, it's 11:07 right now. I turned the apps on at 11. I got a McDonald's, $15 for 4.6 miles or something like that. So I just got to McDonald's. The line is out the door. They haven't even started the order yet. So I'm going to sit here, see if I get something else before that's ready. She said 5 to 10 minutes, so we'll see. But anyway, so I thought I would check in with you. So today, I'm going to take you driving along with me, and we're going to do DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. I don't know what to expect today. It's Halloween weekend, so maybe it'll be busy. I don't know. I'm not sure why someone's paying so much for McDonald's, but okay, there's a couple people coming out with their orders. Good. So maybe I'm coming up, but anyways, I want to thank you for clicking on the video. This should be a fun day. I am hoping to be really busy. Anyways, I want to ask you to please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and also subscribe if you haven't already. That would be fantastic. And yeah, so I'm going to go back in, I think. It's been about 3 minutes. The lobby is full of people. The parking lot is completely full. The drive-thru is out at the street. So here's an Uber Eats, $14. Ooh, I'm going to take this one. $14, 2 miles from the Habit. Now, it won't be ready for sure because that restaurant's never ready. So I'm going to try to grab this, and then I'll grab that, and then I can do both at the same time. Because this Uber Eats one is right on the way to the other person. So that'll be fantastic. So that'll be a $29 stack if it works. We'll see. This McDonald's may not happen, but I'm going to go back in. So anyways, I'll keep you posted. So wow, that McDonald's experience was not fun. I will say 95% of the time, McDonald's is not an issue. 95% of the time, if I go there, I never have to wait more than a minute or two. Well, not so much today. It's now 11:21. I did pick up both deliveries and drop off one already. But I was probably in McDonald's at least 10 minutes. And they actually closed the lobby. It was so crowded, they finally closed it. The poor kids working in there were working their buns off trying to get all the orders out.
Starting route to 5.
They only had
turn left onto Lynn
2
Road.
people working in the kitchen. So I'm saying that's what the problem is. The drive-thru was full, the lobby was full. Oh my God. Anyways, I did finally get the food, so that was good. I did text the customer and let them know what was going on, but it's just crazy. I've never seen it like that. And then Habit was ready by the time I got there, which was good. So that was good anyways. And that was an easy drop off. I already dropped that off. The guy and his cute little boy were out front waiting for their food. He was all dressed in his costume, the little boy. He was very cute. So they were going to the pumpkin patch, he said, so that's fun. It's a beautiful day today. It's 79 degrees, sunny. So that was really cute. I dropped off at McDonald's to a bridal party, getting ready for the wedding today. They all came out in their little matching jammies to pick up the food. It was cute, actually. They rented to Airbnb. It's a humongous house up at the top of the hill here. Yeah, so anyways, good for them. That's fun. They're having McDonald's prior to the wedding. Hope they don't get sick. Oh, anyways. Okay, so I don't have anything else right now. I've made $29 so far. Well, that's pretty good actually, because it has only been 34 minutes. Seems longer. That way to McDonald's kind of seemed really long, but I guess it really wasn't that long. I've never seen it like that though, so definite. Which way should I go? I'm gonna go, probably gonna live to regret this, but I'm gonna go towards the mall. because I don't want any more McDonald's. Habit was good though. I will say that. So anyways, yeah, that's all I've done so far. Habit at McDonald's, and then now I am unemployed. Hopefully I get something pretty soon. Yeah, keep you posted. Well, this was the right call. I'm at the mall and I'm getting bombarded with stuff. I just took a $16 Lazy Dog. I'm hoping I can get something else to go with it. But for right now, that's what I have. This one's not going in the right direction. Too small. We'll see if it's ready. It's Uber Eats, so it may be ready. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. Okay, picked up that Lazy Dog. You know what I've noticed? This has alcohol on it. Nowhere on the accept screen or even on the pickup screen did it say alcohol until now, when I've already picked it up. Now it says I have to verify ID. So I would not have taken this if it had alcohol, only because I don't like dealing with the whole alcohol thing.
In 1.6
so that's something to keep in mind. That was Uber Eats, and yeah, that's, I'm not sure why they don't tell you up front. A lot of people don't like dealing with alcohol. So anyways, yeah. Hopefully it goes smoothly. I just don't like it. So anyways, that's just me. I personally am against delivering alcohol because I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to deal with the ID. I don't want to deal with any of it. I just want to drop off the food and go. But anyways, then I just got a $9.75 from this OT Bistro place. So I picked that up. It's right on the way to the other person, which is fantastic. So I'll deliver that.
In a quarter mile, make a right turn on East Chance Road using the upcoming right.
Anyways, I will drop that off first and then continue on to the alcohol person. I will definitely do that one last because it's going to take more time and more potential issues.
Using the right lane, make a
I'm
right
sure it'll be
turn on
fine.
East
It's
Chance
just
Road.
I don't like doing them. Anyways, so I'm going to the DoorDash person first and then the Uber Eats. Like I said, it's right on the way, so it's not going to take me any longer, really. I'm going to drop this off. This is just leave it at my door, so it's going to be a quickie. And then head right on over to the other people. And that will be that. I just wanted to let you know I did take another one. Oh, wow. What kind of car is that? Very loud. Lamborghini. Very cool. Did you hear it? The ground is rumbling. Wow. Anyways, I'll keep you posted. Okay. I don't know if I told you, but I accepted a Pizza Hut, $14.25 for 4.1 miles or something like that. I just picked that pizza up, and then I got a Grubhub for another pizza place, Tony's Pizza. It's a Grubhub, $22 for like 3 miles. So I accepted it, fully knowing it's not going to be ready. This place is never ready when it says. So I went in there. They said, oh, it's going to be like 20 more minutes. I'm like, okay, great. So I'll drop this other pizza off, then go back to Tony's, and it still won't be ready, but that's okay. And then I'll deliver that one. So today, I think people are getting ready for Halloween parties or something, because the Pizza Hut is like 5 pizzas, and the Tony's Pizza is, I think, 4 pizzas and 4 things of pasta or whatever. So people are having parties, which is great. I don't care. So $22 for 3-point-something miles. Yeah, I'll take that, right? This one's only 14-something, but it's not going very far either. 4 miles, I think. Total of 6 minutes. Got 3 more minutes. So it will not be difficult. So yeah, so anyways, that's what's going on. I'm doing okay. I did take a little break, maybe 15 minutes, after I dropped off those other 2 orders. The lazy dog and the other one. Oh, the alcohol drop off was fine. The guy was waiting out front with his ID and his little dog, and it was fine. I was worried for nothing. It's funny. It's not that I'm worried that something's going to happen to me. I just don't like having to scan the ID, verify all the information. Uber Eats didn't have me do anything. It just said, does this person appear sober? Yes, he was very sober. And then it said scan the back of the ID. So that's all I had to do. It was not a big deal. So it was fine. Used to be you had to use this, like your app, to like scroll down, choose their birthday, and do all these different things. That did not happen today, so that was good. That's what scared me about Uber Eats. The last time I had done it, it was an ordeal. And for whatever reason, my app was not accepting the stuff I was putting. It was just an ordeal. So anyways, this time it was easy. And now I just have to find this person's house. And hope that this is a nice, easy delivery. And then I go back to the other pizza place and pick that one up. So I think today's a pizza kind of day. So the Pizza Hut guy, it's the same guy who was working there.
At the next light, turn right.
I said, oh, you guys prep for tonight? It's going to be crazy. He's like, oh, yeah. He goes, we've got extra people working. He said last night they had every oven going the entire time. Like, wow. So people are having parties, and pizza's an easy thing to have when you have a party. I mean, let's face it. It's an easy party food. Anyways, okay. Got a Taco Bell for $9.96 or something like that. Literally going like half a mile, and I was driving right by Taco Bell. It was a Grubhub, but it's Taco Bell, so even if I had to wait 10 minutes, not a big deal. So I did that. It was ready, actually. Just dropped it off. It was literally, Taco Bell's right on that side of the street. The house was half a block over on this side, so that was pretty easy. Got that delivered. And now I just got a Habit, which is right over here on the other side of the freeway, for $11.75, going 3 miles. So I accepted that one. It's not supposed to be ready for like, let's see, 7 more minutes, but that's okay. I'll head over here. Maybe I'll use their restroom while I'm waiting. And yeah, today's been pretty busy. I dropped off that one that was $22. That was easy. It was at a office building. They just said leave it in the lobby, so I left it in the lobby. That was easy. What else did I have? I have that other pizza one that I dropped off. That was easy. Yes. Knock on whatever material this is. No weirdness yet today. I'm probably jinxing myself right now, but that's okay. So Habit's right over here. I've marked that I've arrived, even though I really haven't arrived. I'm very, very close. I always do that. You know why? I found out that a lot of restaurants don't start the order until you say that you're there. So that gives me another minute or two before I actually park and walk in, that maybe they've started it, and in case they haven't already started it. I'm not sure what restaurants do that, but regardless, a minute or two one way or the other is not a big deal. So whether I'm really there or I'm pulling in, it's not really, I don't think it's an issue either way. But that way, if they have not started it yet, they will start it because they know that I'm here. That's my strategy anyways. I don't know if it really matters.